Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and one pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort. This is the fastest trick to get rid of dirt in your window frame. That's where the most grime builds up. Take an empty toilet paper roll, stick it into your vacuum hose, turn it on, and watch the mess disappear in seconds. Dust, sand, crumbs, gone without a trace. The result? Clean, neat, effortless. You need to know this trick. Mix it with water and wipe the window frames. Forget about yellow stains. From now on, your windows will be the whitest on the block. Grab a bowl and pour in a liter of warm water. Take some baking soda or baking powder from your kitchen cupboard and add it to the water. It's a great, natural whitener that works perfectly on plastic surfaces. Add a bit of dish soap, too. It cuts through grease and lifts dirt easily. Mix everything together. Then I take a sponge and simply wipe the frames. No scrubbing, no effort. The baking soda gently whitens and removes old stains. This trick not only cleans, but also protects the frames from future buildup. I wash them once, and they stay clean for a long time. Try it, and see how your window frames become snow white again. It's such a simple hack, yet it works better than expensive store-bought cleaners. No more yellow spots. Just a clean, bright finish thanks to a mix of 3 basic ingredients you already have at home. Your neighbors will definitely start asking what you use to clean your windows. And then you can share the secret to brilliantly white frames that last for years. Here's my secret for streak-free, shiny windows. The tannins act as a natural cleaner, removing grease and dirt. Grab a cup and a tea bag, make sure it's black tea. Pour hot water into the cup, filling it halfway. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes. Then, take a spray bottle and funnel. Remove the tea bag and pour the tea into the spray bottle. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon, which works as a degreaser and antibacterial agent. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, and your mixture is ready. Spray it on your windows and wipe with a microfiber cloth, making sure to cover all areas. After this trick, you'll get amazing results. This affordable homemade window cleaner will leave your windows sparkling clean. Remember, by brewing strong black tea and using it as a cleaning solution, you can achieve streak-free, shiny windows. Simply rub one product into the window seal, and your energy bills will be significantly lower. In autumn and winter, heating costs can put a strain on your household budget. One simple way to reduce them is proper window maintenance. Even new windows can lose their insulating properties if the seals are neglected. Before the first frost arrives, it's a good idea to take a moment to care for them. Check if your windows have an adjustment option. Properly adjusting the pressure of the sash against the frame allows you to adapt them to changing temperatures, significantly improving insulation. The adjustment mechanism is usually located on the window frame and allows for easy modification of the sealing pressure. Before applying any treatment, thoroughly clean the seals from dust and dirt. Then wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Only then should you apply technical petroleum jelly. Simply apply a small amount to a dry cloth and rub it evenly into the seals. This will help them remain flexible and better retain heat inside your home. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about a liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. Just use a bottle and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grille without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better.